Pocket Broker Review. Legit or a scam AI trading bot? So, Pocket Broker markets itself as an AI-powered trading bot designed to help users automate trades and potentially increase the profits. It promises simplified trading, risk management, and the AI-driven decision making. But is it actually reliable? So let's talk about the pros of it. So it offers AI-powered trading. It also has a risk management feature. It is also user-friendly with the interface, and it works 24/7 with the automated trading. The cons is though, there are some transparency issues. They have limited information about the team behind the bot. There's also no verified track record. There's no public audits or proven results from users. And it has a high risk results of loss and even a possible scam concern. So Pocket Broker makes big promises about AI-driven trading, but with limited transparency and no verifiable proof of consistent results, caution is strongly advised.